This video will show you how to find a specific article using the Journals search option. You can only search for journal titles in the Journals search. You can't search for articles by title or by subject. If you need to find a specific article, perhaps something your professor has recommended, you will often have the citation information like this. This article by Ana Maria Fraile Marcos was published in the Journal of Postcolonial Writing in 2020 in volume 56, issue number 4, on pages 473 to 487. Go to the St. FX Library homepage. In the search box, the default search is for Novanet, the library catalog. Change this to Journals. Now enter the name of the journal in which the article was published, in this case, the Journal of Postcolonial Writing. The system does a search and comes back with any journal titles which include your search terms. Click on the correct title. The system then lists the online holdings for the journal. Look for the year that your article was published, in this case, 2020. Now look for volume and issue number for the article you're looking for. Click on the issue number to see the articles listed in that issue. Articles are usually presented in page number order, so look for your article under the first page, number 473. When you find it, look for the full text or PDF button to access the full text. Sometimes the system does not simply list available holdings. In this search, for example, I'm looking for the Journal of Scientific American. I see the title listed, but when I click on it, the system takes me to the journal listing in Novanet, the library catalog. The listing shows that we have Scientific American online from 1875, and there's also a note which reads, available at St. FX McDonald Library Serials Collection, and gives you a call number, T1.S5 in this case. This means that we have the journal in hard copy as well. You can choose to find that journal on the stacks and look for a particular volume, an issue, in print or online. If you have problems finding or accessing a journal article or questions about using the journal search, please contact the library via email at library@stfx.ca.